Guys, good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is common leadership challenges. Team member say yes in meeting, but during the day do not work with energy and result zero. First commitment is not enough. People op- often they agree to everything, but you know agreement is not accusation. Yes, I will ask how many calls will you do and before the 1 p.m. And my second question is how many appointment will you fix today. The which question will you call and first. You committed 40 call and 2 meeting. What happened? Create accountability, right? It is important for the create or accountability. Second is energy transfer from leadership. A leader you know claim but strong team, respect for the leader, always shouting the team become uh, defensive. you know Always soft team become lazy. uh, right. 70% leadership, 20% uh, coaching, teaching, 10% strong stickiness. First example, claimly in the guide, you if you repeat it, zero performance, be strict, not shouting emotionally, and but first is give instruction. It is important for the leadership and challenging. Second is you know demonstrate by the doing. I said something powerful. I called the customer and got appointment to this. The is real leadership. Give the example front of the team, right? How to speak on call, how to ask for the meeting. You know, I'm how to create agency through to telecalling, through to call, right? Just give the leader, give the example front of the team member. I am calling regarding the portfolio, review. Just 10 minute meeting can help improve your returns. Can you can you help improve your returns? Can you meet within 1 hour today? Yeah, can you meet tomorrow 1 p.m. Yeah, after 12 p.m. You take appointment, right? You should energy on call something, not more than loudly, something energy. Customer listen your voice. Third is fix the telecalling energy problem. Yes, it it's a big issue when some employee calling the customer and very slowly speaking to calling. Customer ignore the call, and if employee having the some loud and energy create and customer listen the properly, then customer give the appointment. Slow voice means no confidence, right? Slow confidence means no confidence. you know uh, Something loud matlab energy. So always you should call as a energy. Stand while calling, smile while the talking, facing face your smile, always your face is smiling. Speak 20% louder and with the normal. And fifth is daily performance on the board. Visual, please you create your front of the team on the board, your visual and scoreboard in branch, RM1, RM2, RM3, calls in for 40 RM1 and 35 RM2 and RM third in 10, and meeting in the fix RM1 2 and RM2 suppose jet 1 and RM third team 0. RM first team 0 business reported and RM2 team 50,000 rupees income and third is 0, right? You daily practice, your daily activities should be होना चाहिए your leader activity daily basis, right? Six is my topic is as a leader, remove the zero business culture. Zero business reported means no fair, no ownership, no measurement. As a leader, do daily activity, right? 40 calls front of you, you listen. Daily means daily, you check 5 follow-ups, great, and 2 appointment. It is important for the energy create, important for the leadership, important for the revenue, every organization. Because if any employee having the more follow-up, then can he and she can easily do the business, and right. एंड मेरा जो टॉपिक है एंड में इससे होना चाहिए गोल्डन रूल ऑफ लीडर, एनर्जी एंड स्ट्रेटजी एंड ट्रैकिंग, राइट? इम्पोर्टेंट गाइज, ये लीडरशिप के लिए मैंने चैलेंजेस पे, जो लीडरशिप को चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़ते हैं, उस पर मैंने रील बनाई है, वीडियोज बनाई है. आप इसको लाइक करिए और मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम सब्सक्राइब करेगा और कमेंट भी लिखिए नीचे. आप लोगों को अच्छा लगे कमेंट भी लिखिए प्लीज़. थैंक यू गाइज. ओके.